Chapter 1. Hardware and Software. Introduction. Computer is a very useful electronic device. Wide variety of tasks are done using computer these days. In offices, schools, hospitals, shops, hotels, restaurants, etc. Computers are used for doing different types of jobs. Computers have made our work easier. They provide means for doing error-free work in a very short span of time. A computer works properly using its hardware and software resources. What do you understand by the term hardware and software? Hardware. The physical part of a computer that can be seen by eyes or touched by hands is called hardware. For example, keyboard, mouse, monitor, etc. Similarly, all other devices that can be connected to the computer will also be termed as computer hardware. Computer hardware can be classified into following categories: input devices, output devices, storage devices. Input devices. The devices using which data is entered into a computer are called input devices. For example, keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, etc. Let us know about some input devices. Keyboard. Keyboard is an input device which is used to enter data or information into the computer. The keyboard layout is known as the QWERTY design. Keyboard is used to input letters, numbers, and special characters into the computer. Mouse. Mouse derives its name from its shape. It looks like a real mouse with two buttons and a wheel mounted on its back. It is used to move the cursor on the monitor and also to give instructions to the computer. When a mouse is connected to the computer, an arrow-like figure appears on the monitor screen. This arrow is called mouse pointer. Tech terms. Instruction, advice and information about how to do or use something. Trackball. Trackball is an input device. A movable ball is placed on its top. Moving the palm on the ball moves the ball. A trackball can be seen on a laptop computer. We can operate it using the fingers. Joystick. Joystick is a device which is mainly used for playing games on the computer. Its handle can move in all the four directions. It helps to move items on the screen. Scanner. Scanner is also an input device. Using scanner, photos, pictures, images, etc. can be provided to the computer as input. Whatever document is put inside it, it scans it and sends it to the computer. Light pen. A light pen is also an input device using which you can draw pictures or write something on the computer screen. Light pen also allows the user to point to displayed objects on the screen and select them. Microphone. Microphone is an input device. It captures audio sounds and sends it to the computer for further action. Output devices. The devices using which computer provides information to its users are called output devices. For example, monitor and printer are the most common output devices. Monitor. Monitor is the most common output device. It looks like LCD TV. Whenever computer needs to display anything, it directs its output to the monitor. Monitor is also known as a VDU or Visual Display Unit. Printer. Printer is also an output device. It prints the output on paper. This printed paper or printout can be used later for reference. Laser printer, inkjet printer and dot matrix printer are few popular types of printers. Plotter. A plotter is a kind of printer for computers. Usually a plotter is used to print on paper which is of very large in size. It makes line drawings on paper using multicolored special pens. It is capable of producing high-quality drawings such as graphs, drawings, charts, maps, etc. Speakers. Speakers are also an output device. They are used for sound outputs. Computer directs all its audio signals to the speakers so that sounds like speech, music, songs, etc. could be heard. Storage devices. The devices in which data is stored for some time are called storage devices. Hard disk. Hard disk stores huge amount of data and information. It is present inside the CPU box. Whatever is stored in hard disk gets permanently stored in it unless it is deliberately deleted from the hard disk. CD or DVD. CDs or DVDs are storage devices on which a lot of data can be stored permanently. CD stands for compact disc. It is a flat, shiny disc. Pen drive. Pen drive is a small device used to store and transfer data from one computer to another. It can be easily handled. Software. Software is a set of instructions that are given to the computer for performing a task. Do you know hardware alone is of no use? Yes, it cannot work on its own. It requires software to work. Invisible part of the computer that makes computer work is called software. For example, we use movie player software to play movies on a computer. Computers also have software for letter writing, for making drawings, for doing calculations and millions of other software. There are two types of software: system software, application software. System software. System software is the software used to manage and control the hardware components. It allows the interaction between hardware and other types of software. The most common type of system software is the computer's operating system. Operating system is the software that computer requires for its internal functioning. Windows, Linux, Mac OS, etc. are the most popular operating systems. Application software. Application software is a type of computer program that performs specific functions. Each software performs some definite functions. Some examples of application software are MS Paint, Tux Paint, WordPad, Excel, games, calculator, etc. In a nutshell, 1. The physical part of the computer that can be seen by eyes or touched by hand is called hardware. 2. The devices using which data is entered into a computer are called input devices. 3. The devices using which a computer provides information to its users are called output devices. Keyboard and mouse are the most common input devices. Keyboard is used to enter data into the computer and mouse is used to move cursor on monitor. 4. Monitor and printer are the most common output devices. Monitor displays the information on the screen, whereas printer prints the information on paper. 5. The devices in which data is stored for some time are called storage devices. 6. Hard disk stores a large amount of data and information. 7. Software is a set of instructions that are given to the computer to perform a task. 8. System software is the software used to manage and control the hardware components. It allows the interaction between hardware and other types of software. 9. Application software is a type of computer program that performs specific functions. 10. Operating system is the software that computer requires for its internal functioning. Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. are the most popular operating systems. 1. Fill in the blanks.